What will we do today? Time for a splashy, happy, bubbly play! First we turn the water on, splish, splash, splash. Wet our hands, oh so fun, in a little dash. Then we get the happy soap, soft and white. Rub our palms, make a foam, oh what a lovely sight. Sabun, sabun, bubble, bubble, go. Wash our hands nice and clean, nice and slow. Rub between our fingers, scrub and shine. Little fingers dancing, feeling so fine. Don't forget the thumbs, scrub them too. Clean, clean hands for me and you. Rinse the bubbles, swoosh and swish, all gone now. Clean and sparkly hands, wow, wow, wow. Shake them, feel so bright. Hands are clean and shining white. Pat them dry, so soft and warm, hooray. Clean hands ready for a brand new day. Clean hands, happy heart, we did it right. See you next time, shining bright. Namaste!